Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where simple insights help you pick smarter gear. Today we're checking out the famously compact and budget-friendly mechanical keyboard, the Keychron K3. Ever wonder if a 75% keyboard can deliver a typing experience that feels premium without breaking the bank? The Keychron K3 promises tactile switches, wireless flexibility, RGB lighting, and Mac Windows compatibility, all for around $70 to $100. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First up, the top features. The Keychron K3 sports a 75% layout. That means it keeps the function row, arrows, and nav keys in a compact chassis. Slim and desk-friendly. Hardware Canucks. Plus 12. Artings.com plus 12. Enos TECH plus 12. It connects via Bluetooth to up to 3 devices, or plugs in via USB-C for wired use and charging. Perfect for switching between laptop, phone, and tablet. Choose from Gateron red linear, brown tactile, or blue clicky switches and enjoy full RGB backlighting, although you'll need to cycle through presets via function keys. No software required. Keychron. Plus 3. Artings.com plus 3. PC Gamer. Plus 3. What users love. People rave about how it just works straight out of the box. They mention the build quality feels solid and stable, especially the aluminum frame versions. YouTube. Plus 2. YouTube. Plus 2. Enos TECH plus 2. The typing feel, especially with brown switches, gets high marks for being satisfying and not overly loud. Tom's Hardware. Plus 5. Apple Insider Forums. Plus 5. Enos TECH plus 5. Its battery life tops out at 240 hours with the backlight off, a huge win for heavy users. Keychron. Plus 2. Artings.com plus 2. PC Gamer. Plus 2. Reviewers call it a stellar choice for Mac users. 2 media keys, Mac OS layout, even included Mac and Windows keycaps. TowofMac.com plus 2. Artings.com plus 2. Keychron. Plus 2. Now, the honest drawbacks. It's a tall board, a bit high off the desk, which can lead to wrist strain for some people without a wrist rest. Artings.com. There's no dedicated software, and you can't program macros or rebind keys easily. That's a deal breaker for customization fans. Artings.com. Latency over wired or wireless can be slightly higher than ultra-fast keyboards, so competitive gamers might feel it's not quite snappy enough. Who this keyboard is for? Buy this if you want a compact mechanical keyboard with full function rows and arrow keys. You need Bluetooth device switching, superb battery life, and cross-platform support. You value tactile typing, reliable build, and colorful RGB lighting on a budget. Avoid this if you want macro programming, custom keybinds, or software-based lighting control. You're sensitive to desk height or need a low-profile option. Consider a wrist rest or lower-profile keyboard. You're a serious gamer who needs ultra-low latency and optimized gaming performance. Final verdict, for around $70100 depending on version and sales, the Keychron K3 is a fantastic mechanical keyboard that delivers core features you actually need: typing comfort, cross-platform connectivity, solid battery life, and clean RGB illumination. It's simple, well-built, and widely compatible. Affiliate link disclosure. If you decide to pick one up, you'll find an affiliate link below that supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Every purchase helps me make more helpful content. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you in the next review.